National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Davie County until 5 p.m. At 3:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northwest of Mocksville, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mocksville, Bermuda Run, Sheffield, Farmington, Advance, and Port Church. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page, or post it to X using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Davie, North Carolina;